Hi, my name is Dan Burikin. I've been digital marketer for over 15 years, with the last 3 years at Upwork. Gaining a top-rated freelancer page as well as top-rated page for my Upwork agency wasn't the easiest thing in the world. However, it increased your chance to get a job by about 50% as Upwork promised. Generally, it's not that hard and risky to be hired and get the agreed things done, compared to avoid unfair and negative feedback that critically affects your Upwork job success score and your eligibility for the top-rated page. With my experience now, I've discovered a much easier, faster, and 100% guaranteed way to officially be in the top 10% of Upwork talent. I've already helped many freelancers with this and would like to offer you my expert advice as well. Get this simple and step-by-step plan to become a top-rated talent at Upwork. Not just to become a top-rated freelancer, but remain one, regardless of a bad feedback that still can happen even more often than a top-rated program option of feedback removal can fix. It's absolutely legal, stressless, and risk-free. And of course, I'm here to consult and help if needed.